Hey everybody, it's Scott and Chad with the Knowles Woolsey team at RE/MAX, and today we're at 7 Buchanan Street in the east end of Barrie. We got a beautiful legal duplex for you. What's really cool, guys, is you can't convert these into duplexes in this area anymore. This one's been grandfathered. So mature treat area, park up the street, unbelievable location.
This beauty has a 3-bedroom unit up and a 2-bedroom unit down, almost $3,100 a month. Cash flow and tenants are in place. Come on in. Back inside, guys, check out the finishes. Laminate flooring, stainless steel appliances, gorgeous kitchen. The tenants will be lined up down the street when they see these finishes, but you're not gonna have to worry about it because tenants are in place for the next year.
The lower level unit here is just as nice as the upper. Everything's finished down here. The kitchen's gorgeous, great ceiling height, tons of natural light. Doesn't stop inside though. Everything's done here. The roof, the windows, the furnace, AC, it's all been updated. You're gonna absolutely love it. They've even gone as far as adding a subfloor down here for extra warmth. Unbelievable. Not only is the neighborhood dead quiet here, guys, there's tons of outdoor space for your enjoyment. Look at these trees, they're at least as old as this guy. All you gotta do when you take over here, guys, is just collect the rent.
For more information on this property and more income generating properties alike, visit our website.